Which of the following is an example of the belief that capitalism is the default behavior? Where do we have this reference in the passage? The third paragraph mentions that the combination of large and diverse population as well as the need for skill differentiation generates a market model. So we need an example that shows how large and diverse population and skill differentiation generates a market model. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A. In this example, it is not clear whether the profits earned by these sports are going to the state or in private hands. So it cannot be established that this system represents capitalism. Also, this system doesn't have any reference to population and skill differentiation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice B. In this example, there is a reference to small towns growing, which indicates growth in population. Also, this example talks about goods transportation, which indicates some sort of skill differentiation. And this example also talks about private enterprises, suggesting that the profits are going in private hands. So this is a capitalist system which has a reference to population and skill differentiation. So this answer choice can be a good example of how capitalism is the default social behavior. This is a good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. In this example, there is a reference to monopoly, which indicates that the profits earned are going in private hands. But this answer choice has no reference to population and skill differentiation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D. In this example, it states that it is the kingdom that increased the production of corn. However, the passage doesn't indicate whether the profits are going to private hands or to the state. Also, this example has no reference to population and skill differentiation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E. In this example, it is the kings or the state that are earning the profits. So it is not an example of a capitalist system. Also, this answer choice has no reference to population and skill differentiation. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.